One of the most dangerous mistakes a homebuyer can make is assuming that a bank appraisal is the same thing as a home inspection. The appraiser is hired by the lender to ensure the house is worth the sales price, but they are not. There to find hidden plumbing or electrical issues. A home inspector is the person you hire to crawl into the attic and the crawl space to find the expensive problems that the appraiser will likely miss. An appraisal protects the bank's investment, but a thorough home inspection is the only thing that truly protects your bank account from surprise repairs. If the inspection reveals a major issue like a failing roof or a cracked foundation, you can use that information to negotiate a lower price or a repair credit. Even if you are buying a brand new home, you should never skip the inspection because construction mistakes happen and are much easier to fix before you move in. Understanding the difference between value and condition is key to ensuring you are making a smart and safe investment for your family's future. Visit changemyrates.com today so we can guide you through the closing process and help you interpret these critical property reports.